According to St. Luke, chapter 6, verses from 1 to 5. Jesus was walking through some cornfields on the Sabbath. His disciples began to pick the ears of corn, rub them in their hands, and eat the grain. Some Pharisees asked, "Why are you doing what our law says you cannot do on the Sabbath?" Jesus answered them, "Haven't you read what David did when he and his men were hungry? He went into the house of God, took the bread offered to God, ate it, and gave it also to his men. Yet it is against our law for anyone except the priest to eat that bread." And Jesus concluded, "The Son of Man is Lord of the Sabbath." Thanks be to God.